just keep messing up my video. I don't know why. They should cut this grass. Okay, right here, this is where it is. And the train's parked right here. BNSF Gevo and a BNSF H1. And it's with the H2 paint on it. That's kind of weird. Okay, there we go. Now you can see. Now you can see it. Train's still switching. Okay. Yeah, just a bunch of seeing boxcars. That's kind of rare. Yeah, just some coaches. And the train's moving up. Wait, is the train moving up? Oh yeah, it is. But okay, this one with the BNSF Gevo and the H2 right here. And this train is moving up for some reason. I don't know why. Oh, with 3 Gevos. A little uncommon though. Well, that's the yard. I'm gonna see you on the next video. Goodbye.